Da, I love you. See you later.
My baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna? But can't stand to see me walk out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, 'cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking two together, 'cause we don't know you think you've got it, oh, you think you've got it, but got it, just don't get it till there's nothing at all. We get together, oh, we get together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. If what they say is nothing is forever, then what makes, then what makes, then what makes, then what makes, what makes, what makes love the exception? So why are we so in denial when we know we're not happy here?
Dada, my fourth year high school classmate, 6 years boyfriend, 1 year and 6 months fiancé, and now my husband. Happy 100th mansary. Sabi ko kay God noon, kung tayo talaga para sa isa't isa, gumawa siya ng paraan para magkita tayo ulit. And He answered my prayer.
Alam ko sa loob ng 8 taon natin, hindi tayo naging perfect as a couple. Nagkakaroon tayo ng hindi pagkakaintindihan. Pero ikaw pa rin ang laging nagpapaunawa sa lahat ng bagay. Kaya sobrang thankful ako dumating ka sa buhay ko. And I love you so much.
I vow to keep making you laugh, to keep holding your hand, and to keep choosing you every single day for the rest of our lives. I love you so, so, so much. Mama, Papa, maraming salamat po sa sobrang pagmamahal sa aming magkakapatid mula nung bata kami hanggang ngayon na malalaki na kami. Thank you for the unconditional love. Grabe po yung pagsuporta nyo at pagmamahal talaga sa aming magkakapatid. Sobrang salamat, Mama, Papa.
May advice ako sa kanya, kung siya maging baliw. Kumain siya. Dapat na lagi ka nakakiti. Kasi pag nakakiti ka daw sa picture yun. Kasi ka lang parang baliw.
Suffering slowly meant to show me how when
Forever is not a ruling. It is a longing. No? Yung forever, hindi lamang yan tungkol sa pagnanasa. Ito ay tungkol sa pagnanais na pipiliin ninyo ang isa't isa. Pagkatapos ng mahabang araw, kahit pagod, kahit hindi nagkakaintindihan, kahit dumadaan kayo sa mga pagsubok ng buhay, pipiliin at pipiliin nyo pa rin ang isa't isa. Hindi ang iba, kundi ang isa't isa. Hana, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Ray na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Ray, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Hana na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay? Opo, Father.
Thank you for patiently waiting that. Sobrang nagpapasalamat ako sa pagmamahal mo at higit sa lahat sa pagrespeto mo sa akin bilang babae. The long wait is over, Dada. I love you so much and thank you for everything. You are my heart, my home, and my forever. I promise to love you in every season of life.
Thank you so much, Dada. I look forward to our new chapter in life as husband and wife. I love you so much, my wife. I love you.
Till the day that I die. I just wanna feel alive. With you, I'm alive.
Sa pamamagitan ng Diyos, it will be achievable. Forever will be achievable when faith and trust in God are at the center of your relationship.
I'm a mess. There was nothing about that love that made sense. I was stressed. I'm a mess. There was nothing about that love that made sense. I was stressed.
Your road to forever starts with a kiss